Okay, so now last lesson you talked about sine and cosine ratios to find angles. Today we're going to look at sine and cosine ratios to calculate length. So same setup, sin A is equal to opposite over hypotenuse and cos A is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So it depends what they give you, depends on which one you're going to use. So here's two examples on how it works. Key thing to remember here for both equations is that when you convert in a decimal to a degree, you got to use sin -1 or cos -1. So on the next page here, they give you an idea how it works. Alright, so take a look at it. And now we're going to show you here. You can try it, stop the tape, try it, and then check to see if you have it right. So, I got to find this side here. So I take a look, I have this angle and this angle with this side. That side's adjacent part of. So that tells me I'm going to use cos. Cos A is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Plug in what I know. So I know cos A is 67.3, adjacent is 20.86, and hypotenuse is x, which I do not know. So I cannot have it in the denominator, so I'm going to multiply this side by x side, and what I do to one side must do the other side. These cancel out, so now I'm left with cos 67.3 times x is equal to 20.86. I want to get this by itself, so I'm going to divide this by cos 67.3. What I do to one side, I must do to the other side. So the cos cancel out, I'm left with x. X is going to be equal to 20.86 divided by cos 67.3, which I plug in my calculator and come up with 0.385. I divide 20.86 by 0.385 and come up with 54.18, which is the length of x. So once again, stop the tape. Now take a look at your lesson from Google Calendar and go.